Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car of the Range Rover EVOQUE SD4 R Dynamic all-wheel drive. The vehicle's just come as a recent part exchange and is a lovely kept example of the ever popular EVOQUE Range Rover. Being the R Dynamic model, we've got some lovely options on the car, as well as the previous owner did also carry out some nice touches of their own. It's had a full black pack on the car, so we've got the black badges, the black R Dynamic alloy wheels. As you can see there, they're all in really nice condition. Down the side then, all is very nice and neat and tidy. You'll also see we've got the rear sun protection glazing. Inside we have got the full leather interior. Both front seats are electrically operated and they are also both heated. As you can see, they're all very nice and neat and tidy. We have got the Meridian audio system, got this lovely perforated leather on the door cards. It's been really nicely cared for, this one. It is an automatic with the full four-wheel drive system, so it is more than capable when showed a bit of the rough stuff. Of course, it sits on the same four-wheel drive platform that we all know very well from the Land Rover, Range Rover models. Inside the back then, there is a really good amount of space in the EVOQUEs. You've got a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench there. Again, you've got this lovely half perforated leather on the door cards, that full leather on the rear bench, and Meridian sound throughout. Privacy glass on both of the rear windows. As we come around towards the back then, again, those stunning alloy wheels looking really nice. At the back then, it's got the optional little rear lip spoiler. That is an option from Land Rover and it is a particularly expensive one, but it does just make all the difference. Again, black rear badges, got the centre part of the diffuser in black and the outs in the nice polished silver look. If we just pop open the tailgate then, in here is a very good sized boot for the type of car that is often these crossover style vehicles. You don't get all much of a boot space because they are mainly focused on the interior space, but again, the EVOQUE is that nice mix of the both. Folding seats as well. We've got a rear camera with the front and rear sensors. As we come around towards the driver's side, again, everything looking very nice and neat and tidy. As you can see here, we'll go through in a moment and take a quick seat inside the car, just showing you the other two alloy wheels really quickly, so you can see they've all been kept very nice and neat and tidy. Those 20-inch option alloy wheels. Inside then, a very nice place to be actually. In here you do feel nice and safe and secure with the very typical Land Rover feel interior. So you've got your screen up here and then all of your controls for the climate, your gear selector, and of course your all-wheel drive select in the centre. It's covered just over 80,000 miles. It is due a service, but we're going to be servicing the car in-house. It's got very good service history. You've got your multi-function steering wheel for all of your voice, volume, cruise, and obviously the selectors for the sports gearbox on the steering wheel there. As I mentioned, the front seats are heated. If we go in and take a look at the screen then, in terms of audio video, click that button and it will take us through to the main menu for that. We've got DAB radio, normal radio, and then a wide array of multimedia inputs, including iPod connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity as well. Everything is kept underneath the armrest, so you've got plenty of ways to be connected within this car. Back to the main menu. Take a look at the navigation screen, agree to that. And as you can see there, we've got a nice looking big colour touchscreen navigation menu. Again, back to the home screen. You can also put this in a valet mode, so of course it just keeps things to a very basic bare minimum. Bluetooth telephone, we've mentioned that. If we just pop the car into reverse, that'll bring up the camera with the sensors all around. And this being a all-wheel drive model EVOQUE, which in my opinion definitely makes it more worthwhile. You've got the hill descent control and all of your different selects for the four-wheel drive here. So as you can see, we've got all of those different programs. And then of course, if we just flick back over to turning the special programs off, you can also have dynamic. Gives you a bit more of a short, snappier throttle response, and of course does limit the traction control for if you do need to make a bit of a snappier getaway. Just turn all of that off and everything will go back to normal. You do also get those lovely red glow on the styles as well. So that is a look around at this very, very nice Range Rover Evoque SD4 Dynamic. If you'd like any further information on the car, please do check the links below. That way you can see prices, funding options and a little bit more about the car. For now though, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.